Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to change your miles per hour or kilometers per hour setting on your Rad Power Bike. So to do that, go ahead and power on the bike by pressing the orange power button. And then once the bike is turned on, what we need to do is go into the program settings. So to go to program settings, what you need to do is hold the headlight button down and the down button down at the same time for about 4 seconds. Doesn't matter if the headlight is on or off, as we are only holding the button down. So go ahead and hold both buttons down for about 4 seconds, and then you'll go into the program mode. And you'll know because the giant P shows up here and the screen over here changes. So we're not under miles per hour or kilometers per hour setting right now, so we need to cycle through the settings. So to cycle through the settings, just press the headlight button again. This brings us over to the clock setting. Press the button one more time, and now we're going to be under miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Currently we're under kilometers per hour, and I want to go to miles per hour, so I'm going to go ahead and press either button, up or down. It doesn't matter because there's only 2 options. So I'm going to press down, and now you can see that we're under miles per hour. So I want to save this. So to save this option, what you need to do is just press the down button again and the headlight button again for 4 seconds at the same time. And then after about 4 seconds, you can see that we're back to our normal screen. And you can see here that I am under miles per hour now. And that is how you cycle between miles per hour and kilometers per hour on your Rad Power Bike. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in future quick videos.